Do you often feel scattered, impulsive, or constantly playing catch-up? ADHD isn't just a childhood condition. For many adults, it's an ongoing challenge that affects every part of life. Recognizing the signs in adulthood can be transformative. From impulsivity to chronic disorganization, here are 7 key signs and symptoms of adult ADHD that could explain those daily struggles and help you understand what's going on. Number 1. Inattention. Inattention is a hallmark symptom of ADHD in adults, often manifesting as difficulty focusing on tasks or following through on responsibilities. For example, you may regularly lose things, require assistance to finish tasks at work, or nod off during conversations. This can lead to missed deadlines and strained relationships, as others may perceive you as careless or unreliable. The impact of inattention can be significant, affecting professional success and personal connections. Recognizing this symptom is the first step toward finding effective strategies for managing it daily. Number 2. Hyperactivity. Hyperactivity in adults with ADHD often presents differently than in children. While kids may be visibly fidgety or unable to sit still, adults might experience internal restlessness, leading to a constant need to be busy or engaged. This can manifest as tapping fingers, pacing, or difficulty relaxing in social situations, which may make others uncomfortable. Adults who struggle with hyperactivity might use coping mechanisms like frequent exercise, mindfulness exercises, and regimented routines. These approaches can help channel excess energy positively, improving both personal and professional interactions. Number 3. Impulsivity. Impulsivity is a significant symptom of ADHD in adults, characterized by hasty decision-making without considering the consequences. This can manifest in various contexts, such as making spontaneous purchases, interrupting conversations, or engaging in risky behaviors like driving too fast. These impulsive actions can lead to misunderstandings and conflicts in relationships, as partners or friends may feel disregarded or hurt. Recognizing impulsivity is crucial for developing strategies to pause and reflect before acting, ultimately fostering healthier interactions and better decision-making in both personal and professional settings. Number 4. Difficulty organizing tasks. Adults with ADHD often struggle with organizing tasks, leading to significant challenges in productivity and efficiency. Disorganization can result in missed deadlines, forgotten appointments, and a constant feeling of being overwhelmed. Use tools like planners, to-do lists, and digital reminders to help you become more organized. Breaking down tasks into smaller, manageable steps can also help. However, chronic disorganization can take an emotional toll, causing frustration, anxiety, and low self-esteem. Acknowledging these challenges is the first step toward finding effective strategies to regain control and enhance daily functioning. Number 5. Forgetfulness. Forgetfulness is a common symptom of ADHD in adults, significantly impacting daily life and responsibilities. It can lead to missed appointments, forgotten tasks, and a general sense of chaos. Setting reminders on your phone, utilizing sticky notes, or keeping a specific planner can all be helpful techniques for managing forgetfulness. Establishing a routine can also help reinforce memory. Emphasizing the importance of reminders and planning not only aids in staying organized, but also reduces stress, allowing individuals to navigate their daily lives with greater confidence and ease. Number 6. Difficulty following through. Difficulty following through on tasks and commitments is a common challenge for adults with ADHD, often resulting in numerous unfinished projects. This symptom can lead to frustration for the individual, who may feel overwhelmed by incomplete work, and colleagues and loved ones who rely on them. To improve follow-through, setting clear, achievable goals and breaking tasks into smaller steps can be helpful. Additionally, establishing accountability through check-ins with friends or colleagues can provide motivation and support, fostering a greater sense of accomplishment and reliability. Number 7. Emotional dysregulation. Emotional dysregulation is a symptom of ADHD in adults, characterized by difficulty managing emotions and fluctuating moods. This can lead to intense frustration, anger, or sadness that may seem disproportionate to the situation. Conflicts in relationships can arise from such emotional reactions, as partners or friends may struggle to understand these reactions. Coping mechanisms such as journaling, deep breathing techniques, and mindfulness training can be useful in managing emotional dysregulation. Additionally, seeking support from a therapist can provide valuable tools for navigating emotions and improving interpersonal dynamics. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insightful content. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who could benefit from these tips. Also, check out other videos in the description to learn about similar topics that might interest you. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.